when you earn more, when life slows down, when you finally feel in control. But deep down, you already know something uncomfortable. It's not that you don't know what to do. It's that what works feels too boring to even start. And that one truth is quietly keeping you broke. Imagine this. It's the end of the month. Your salary just hit your account. For a moment, you feel relief. You tell yourself, this time will be different. You'll save more, spend less, be smarter. But then life happens. A few small expenses, a dinner, something you deserve, something unexpected. And suddenly, you're back where you started. Again. And the worst part? It doesn't even feel like you did anything wrong. Here's the part no one tells you. Your problem isn't money, it's your brain. Your brain is wired to chase excitement, not stability. It loves big wins, quick rewards, sudden changes. But building wealth? It's painfully uneventful. No rush, no thrill, no instant validation. Just the same small action repeated again and again. And that's exactly why most people never do it. Think about it. Saving money doesn't feel impressive. Investing consistently doesn't feel exciting. Watching your net worth grow slowly, it almost feels pointless because there's no immediate reward. No one claps for you, no one notices. It's invisible progress. And humans hate invisible progress. Pause for a second. Ask yourself this honestly. Do you avoid things just because they feel boring, even if you know they work? Just sit with that. The truth is, most people don't fail financially because they're careless. They fail because they're addicted to stimulation. They want change that feels dramatic. But real change? It's quiet, almost forgettable. And that's what makes it powerful. Let me show you something simple. Two people start at zero. Same income, same lifestyle. The first person waits. They wait for the right time. They try to learn everything first. They overthink. They hesitate. They start, then stop. The second person, they do something that looks almost stupid. They automate a small amount every month, no matter what. They don't think about it. They don't touch it. They don't chase perfection. They just continue. Now here's where it gets interesting. In the beginning, nothing happens. Weeks go by. Months go by. It feels like it's not working, like it's too slow, like it doesn't matter. This is the moment most people quit because their brain screams, this isn't worth it. But if they keep going, something strange happens. The numbers start to move, slowly at first, then a little faster. Then one day, they look back and realize they've crossed $10,000, then $25,000, then $50,000, and suddenly they're standing at $100,000, wondering how something so boring did something so powerful. Here's the twist. It was never about money. It was about identity. The person who reaches $100,000 isn't the smartest. They're not the luckiest. They're just someone who stopped chasing excitement and started respecting consistency. Think about your own life. How many times have you started something full of motivation, only to quit when it became repetitive? The gym, a habit, a plan. It always feels the same, exciting in the beginning, then dull, then abandoned. But what if that boring phase is actually the most important phase? Pause again. Really think about this. What if the thing you've been avoiding because it feels too simple is the exact thing that changes everything? There's a quiet kind of discipline that doesn't look impressive from the outside. No big announcements, no dramatic transformations, just small, consistent actions done without emotion, done without needing motivation, done even when it feels pointless. That's how net worth grows, not through intensity, but through repetition, not through big decisions, but through small ones, made again and again. And here's the part that might change how you see everything. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need to feel confident. You don't even need to feel motivated. You just need to stop interrupting the process. Because every time you stop, you reset the entire cycle. Every time you hesitate, you delay your future. Every time you chase something exciting, you move further away from something stable. So maybe the goal isn't to feel inspired. Maybe the goal is to become the kind of person who can do boring things for a long time without needing a reward. Because that person quietly builds wealth, quietly builds freedom, quietly builds a life that doesn't depend on luck. And one day they wake up, look at their numbers, and realize it was never about doing something extraordinary. It was about not stopping something ordinary.